In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to double space text in Google Docs. If you need to make a document easier to read, follow formatting guidelines for school or work, or simply create more space between lines, double spacing is a quick setting to apply. The good news is that Google Docs makes this very simple, and it only takes a few clicks. To begin, open your Google Doc. Make sure you're inside the document where you want to adjust the spacing. Once the document is open, take a moment to look over the text so you know exactly what section you want to update. This is helpful because double spacing can be applied to a specific portion of text instead of changing everything by accident. Next, click on the text and highlight it. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the words, sentences, or paragraphs you want to format. If you want to double space the entire document, you can select all the text before moving on. Highlighting first is important because Google Docs will apply the spacing change to whatever is currently selected. After your text is highlighted, go to the top formatting row and click the line and paragraph spacing icon. This icon is located in the toolbar, and it gives you different spacing options for your selected text. If you don't immediately recognize it, look for the spacing control in the formatting area near the top of the screen. This menu is where you can adjust how close together or far apart your lines appear. Once the spacing menu opens, click Double. As soon as you do that, the highlighted text will update and display with double spacing. You should notice more vertical space between each line, making the text look less crowded and often easier to review or edit. And that's it. Your selected text is now double spaced in Google Docs. If the change doesn't look right, just check that the correct text was highlighted before you open the spacing menu. This small detail is usually the reason formatting applies differently than expected. Double spacing is especially useful for essays, reports, drafts, and documents that may need comments or revisions later. Now that you know where the setting is, you can make this adjustment anytime in just a few seconds. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you format your Google Docs more confidently and efficiently.